Hi, I'm Aditi Srivastav. I'm the president of Pearl Academy. I'm delighted to share with you our brand new offering, Pearl X Studio, offering courses which are fast track, future facing in performing arts, media, and fashion. Pearl X Studio offers some very exciting 3-month programs which are skill oriented and industry based, and they lead up to a 1-year course with the capstone, which is industry oriented and based. So there's lots of interesting learning for everyone here. Pearl X Studio programs are not just for students. They're absolutely for everyone. You could be a newcomer, an industry professional, anybody who's willing to upskill themselves need to check out Pearl X Studio.
And welcome everyone. We do have a lot of important guests lined up for the online event today, who will be joining us as panelists through the course of the event. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Bhargavi, lecturer at Pearl Academy, and I will be your host this afternoon. We are here today to discuss a new realm of creative education with Pearl X Studio, driving a range of fast-track and future-facing courses in performing arts, media, and fashion. Pearl X Studio is conceived as a first-of-its-kind professional offering in India for students, freshers, and professionals. We bring skill-based, experiential, and immersive fast-track courses, presenting power-packed learning aided by international faculty and industry stalwarts from the fashion and media world. With a hybrid teaching learning mode, students will be provided the opportunity to apply all their learning with creative, hands-on, industry-based capstone projects and industry mentors. On that note, I would like to extend a hearty welcome to all our panelists here today. We have globally acclaimed director-producer, Mr. Ashutosh Govarkar, leading Indian costume designer, Ms. Anju Modi, couture designer and Pearl alumna, Ms. Vaishali Shadangule, Dean, School of Contemporary Media, Mr. Vivek Vaswani, Dean, School of Fashion, Mr. Antonio Maurizio Grio.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here today. Thank you, Maurizio, for being here with me. He's the Dean of the School of Fashion, Manuel, the Dean of the School of Creative Practice with me. Thank you, all of you. I want to welcome Ashutosh Govarkar, Anju Modi, Vaishali, who's been our alumni. I will introduce Ashutosh because he's been a personal friend over more than 3 decades, and I will then leave it to Maurizio, our Dean of the School of Fashion, to introduce Anju ma'am and Vaishali. Ashutosh and me have shared 2 major adventures. 35 years ago, a friend of mine gave me some few lakhs, 5 lakhs, and we decided we would make a very big movie with it starring Zeenat Aman. And Ashu played the lead in that film. It was directed by my friend Anant Balani, no more now. And we had great fun making that little film, which led to Ashutosh doing a whole bunch of roles, which led to him becoming a director. Over to Maurizio, who will introduce
Thank you, Vivek, and very warm welcome, everyone. I want to really thank Anju Modi for being with us. Actually, she's not well, and the fact she's not well and being with us, talking to people about creative industry really makes me believe what kind of passion she has. So thank you, Anju, for that. We met, you're feeling better, so thank you. Yes. So we met with Anju, I think it was 6 years back when I first came to Delhi. And it was as part of one of the activities that we are doing with the FDCI. And I remember for that, we are doing something which is called Designers Club. And during one of the fashion weeks, she was talking to our students about the importance of the craft, about the importance, and she actually made me feel in love with Indian fashion. Until then, I did not have much of a clue of the Indian fashion. So, and since then, I think Anju has been there as a mentor to all of us. She's been there supporting us, and she's always ready for anything our students need. She taken interns from us. So thank you, Anju, for making our journey so special. And thank you for being with us, of course, today.
Very warm good afternoon to everyone here, the faculty, as well as my fellow panelists, all the teachers, and of course, the students. I have always heard about Pearl Academy and all its accomplishments. And it's really a pleasure to be participant to this. And thanks to Vivek, I'm here on this panel today. In my starting years, it was really very difficult even to find forget skill-based education, just to get a film school education also was a very difficult task, because there were very few, one or two film schools. I think that knowledge is, of course, very, very important, which I would say is the source becomes books. But interactivity and learning by doing is something that is very, very important today. And hence the skill-based education, the new momentum, the new movement that has begun becomes very important. I must tell you a small little thing, that when I started directing, when I was acting actually, and I was observing the director, I felt a few things. One was that the director somehow was only having a vision, and he needed the support of so many different head of departments who were completely skilled people in their art forms. He needed their help and support to tell his story. And that set me thinking that, what do I know? I'm just a BSc with chemistry graduate. And how is this going to help me? Because, I'm on the field there, learning on the job about what direction is all about. So I decided to do some courses. And Vivek, you also might not know that I did hotel management. I did a course in Chow dance. I took up a class in pottery. I did travel and tourism, just to get a hang of. When Vivek, you told me that you're going to start this new vertical, I mean, as in Pearl is going to start this new, I was really thrilled, and hence I am here. So congratulations to everyone to come up with this new vertical.
Very good afternoon to everybody. And I have learned in these last 3 decades, and what I have kind of evolved myself, I would say that there has to be some kind of a basic seed over there in everybody, any creative mind. After the pandemic, the world has changed, and it has made us wiser and smarter, according to me. I've realized that fashion has become pretty important and big. It has got a multi-pronged approach where it is talking about our culture, our reviving our textiles, our even in fashion, when we use music, so we take the inspiration from our old traditional thumris and classical ragas and the old paintings and art. So fashion has proved itself to become an art form. And after this pandemic, it has become all the more kind of important for the fashion professionals to depend on the photography, cinematography, the styling, like the other skill sets, which were not so very important to be in the forefront. Now, everybody has to present digitally, and to understand the digital world, to understand the videography of a certain product, how to present. So all these things have become quite cinematic. And I think a lot of these of your photography courses and the other styling courses attached with the professionals, whether it's Elle or anybody else, will be a great, great help. Even to me as a professional, I would love to do these short-term courses.
Thank you everyone. All my guests, panelists who've come here to bless us to be part of this event. Like I said, it means a lot to us, a Team Pearl X Studio and Team Pearl Academy as well. I have my entire team here with me. So thank you, everyone.